Look at this video. Einstein is alive right now.
What would art be like without emotions? It would be empty. What would our lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?" Catullus. Science does not answer why questions.
Yes, you understand right. Einstein is alive right now. And any kinds of humans like a Darwin, Einstein, Newton, whatever you can think, any kinds of person will teach you your lesson, will explain their books, and it is absolute digital reality. I'm introducing Omnihuman 1, a Chinese AI. So think about that. What if I can told you AI can bring now any face to life and even express emotions from just a single image? Sounds like a sci-fi, right? But it is happening now. Introducing Omnihuman 1 ByteDance's groundbreaking AI model that's changing the way we create digital human. So what is Omnihuman? It's an ultra-realistic AI developed by ByteDance, the company behind the TikTok. This AI takes just a single image and an audio and transforms them into a lifelike video, where the person moves, talks, and even expresses their emotions with stunning accuracy. How does it work? Unlike deepfake technology that relies on video training, Omnihuman 1 uses advanced neural networks to generate completely new movements based on a voice input. It doesn't just animate lips, it understands and synchronizes full body gestures, micro expressions, and eye contact to create a realistic human-like presence. This is not just a static face moving mechanically, it's dynamic, smooth, and shockingly lifelike. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, Omnihuman has the potential to revolutionize entertainment, education, and even social media. Imagine history lessons where you see and hear historical figures tell their own stories. Movies and video games where AI creates hyper-realistic digital actors. No need to green screen or motion capture. Social media influencer powered entirely by AI. Never aging, never tired, always online. This technology could eliminate the need for the human actors, news anchors, or even content creators. But that also raises some serious questions. The ethical dilemma. If AI can make anyone say or do anything, how do we trust what we see? Will Omnihuman lead to deepfake scandals? And what happens when anyone makes fake speech from a world leader to create an AI-generated version of you without your permission? ByteDance claims that they are implementing safeguards. Omnihuman is not just a step forward in AI, but the question remains, can we really control AI this powerful? It's a leap towards a future. Whether that's a technological revolution or a dangerous illusion, well, that's up to us. Is it the future of content creation, or are we talking into an AI-generated nightmare? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more mind-blowing tech insights. If you found this fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe now.